Hello, good day everyone. Today I would like to present about Cycle Company final result with stockholder report projection in the last quarters. So the first point of our presentation is review about financial market operational during the second year. Next. As you can see in this cumulative balance scorecard graphic, our cumulative total performance has reached 1,509 in last quarter. So in our financial performance data, we get increased score in every quarter, and our financial performance is our company strength. In last quarter, we have 25.4868 point. Next. From our market performance, our company has increased even though the score only gets comparatively smaller than other company. In manufacturing productivity, our company has downgraded in quarter 5 and increasing in quarter 6 until 8. Next. Now we will be presenting about our company strategy. Next. We have marketing strategy. Next. There are 24 aspects about marketing strategy, starting with advertising expenses and ended with number of operational social media. Next. From those 24 aspects, we have divided 4 aspects, which is high growth in our company. There are social media expenses, internet marketing budget, average price, and number of operational social media.
Okay, we will be presenting about our sales channel strategy. So there are 24 aspects of sales channel strategy, starting with number of store salespeople and ended with web sales center number of units sold. From those 24 aspects, we have divided our specific segment into 5 segments which have high impact in our own company. There are sales for expense, number of stores, total number of sales people, and number of units sold. The next one is about manufacturing strategy. From this slide, we can see that our manufacturing use increased fixed capacity by the time, even though it just increased slowly, and we optimize our operating capacity despite in quarter 6 in decrease a little bit. Here is the result. We also optimize overtime capacity to make higher demand than the projection. We also try to optimize the operating capacity that we have. These are another key feature of manufacturing. There are excess capacity cost, average cost of goods sold, and stock out.
Okay, next we have financial strategy. Okay, next. This is 24 aspect of financial strategy. We optimize all aspects by optimizing the cost of product with high profitability. Next. This is the result of our financial strategy. We don't have a debt ratio because we don't use bank cash loans. Our net income downgrade in quarter 5. Next. This is the graphic result of our net profit, margin, retained earning, free funds, and total asset turnover. Okay, next. Now we move to compare action take against the business plan. Next. This is our compare our action take cycle company. From this data segment, target of cycle company is different from between the previous quarter, which we planned before and the last quarter. Also, our average selling price and number of store salespeople are bigger than the projection. Next. Next. From this slide, we can see the project demand, cost of goods, sales for sales, total sales for expand, and operating capacity are higher. Next. From this slide, we can see that excess capacity and total production costs are higher. Also, cycle company never had a debt our loan until the last quarter. Next. The next is one is the purpose from the business plan and justification. Next. Cycle company changed the segment targeted and the beginning we put the reaction segment in the first priority and work segment in the second priority. But along the way, it was not going well. We faced a lot of diversion to follow the market demand. So we have been decided to delete our work segment and expand our company into a mountain and speed segment as well. The consideration behind this discussion are less of competitors and market potential in Natas and Sheffield are high enough. So the consolence is by adding more segment to increase in demand and profit.
Okay. Moving to the review significant event that affected the company and our market. Next. Some of the things that affected our company are the opening in new store in Noram and the existence of R&D and license as well. In quarter 5, Cycle booked 3 R&D and took 1 license of Cycraft company. Cycle has decided to open a new store in Noram, Toronto as well. Decisions that have been taken have succeeded in increasing the demand and profit cycle. Also succeed in making our products more outstanding, especially in the speed segment. Next. Review goals relative to performance for the key performance indicator. Next. From the result, we can see that our actual demand, revenue, gross profit are higher than the projection. But our actual net income, return of investment, and EPS are lower than the projection. Next. Okay, next we will be presenting the goal achieved of Cycle company. Next. These are the goals achieved and not achieved by the Cycle company. For the goal achieved, we are finally focused on smaller, balanced margin segment, focus on geographic markets which are in the middle of the cost or size continuum, focus on geographic market which minimize distribution costs, and having the company's balance scorecard in improving each quarter. Company generate more than 1 million in sales. Also, company made at least some profit. For the goals not achieved, we failed to build a market position and defend it. Be a fast follower, imitate smart competitive moves increase demand, be the low price provider in the market, and be the high service provider in the market. Next. These are the reason of what were the causes of not achieved goals. Because our company tends to put ending cash in safe due to the lack of Cycle stockholder analytical skill, lack of responsive from the company to open a new store, the low demand for the product, cause the production cost to not be reduced, so the price of the product must be adjusted. So we didn't get too many users. Also, there is no more R&D to do quality improvement on product in segment other than speed.
Okay, now we are going into preparing for the future competition. There is several things that we need to prepare to be better in the future competition. First, we need to be brave to take a higher risk. In order to build a better strategy, we have to be brave in taking higher risks because it could open bigger opportunities for us. Second, we need to create better teamwork. In order to build a business, we have to build a better teamwork, so it will be easier for us to discuss and get the best decision. Third, we will buy more R&D to improve our product quality, which will help us to grow. Fourth, we need to improving our product advertisement. align with improving product quality, so we can make higher demand and our product can get a better rating. Last but not least, expand our market to each country. It will be so helpful to enrich our market. Now, what were the lessons learned? With this simulation, we can learn about market spaces that match the condition of our products. Behind that, we also improvise each other skills at work. Good cooperation in the team is also an important thing that we can get in this simulation. From the business world, there are several things that can be learned. First, we must be ready to face existing market competition. One way is to make products with characteristic and interest of many people. Second, we also have to make a good decision in every situation and do analysis before making a decision. Third, we must be good at improvising. Both in product or in our advertisement, we need to be innovative and be creative. That's all our presentation. And now we are in question and answer session. So if you have something that you're still confused about, just go ask.
Hello, my name is Dinar. I'm from Alana Company. Here I want to ask, what decision influenced the Cycle Company to open a new store in Noram? That's my question. Thank you.
Okay, thank you for the question from Alana Company. I will answer that. We decided to open a store in Noram when we were in the 7th quarter because we saw an opportunity in the Toronto area where no competitor had mastered yet, and market potential in Noram are high enough for our segment. Although the decision we made was quite late. So I think that would be enough to answer your question. Now we are going to move into the next question. Thank you.
Hello Cycle, my name is Hairunisa Mutiara Putri from Cycraft. I want to ask something. Why in the end the Cycle Company chose to replace the segment of the original work and recreation becomes Pet Mountain and Recreation? Thank you.
All right, thank you for the question. I will answer that. So in quarter 5, the demand for the Cycle Company dropped dramatically because competitors in Sheffield and Nantes also took the same segment, and because the products we produce have not been maximized. Finally, we made the decision to switch from the segment and add to the segment Speed and Mountain because it sees no opportunity in Europe. All right, I think that would be enough to answer your question. Now we are going to move into the next question.
First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Nabila Wahyu Istiqomah from the Finance. I want to ask the Cycle, based on your presentation, your actual demand, revenue, and gross profit is high enough, but your return on investment has still been negative. Could you tell us what's your analysis about that, and what's the actual things highly impacted on this result? Thank you.
Okay, thank you Nabila for the finance for your great question. And maybe it will be the last question in this session. I will try to answer it briefly. Return on investment in Cycle is very negative because the amount of Cycle net profit is not enough to refinance our investment. And the brand that really impactful in our net profit, especially in each quarter, is Shadow Roaster, which is one brand of Speed segment. Shadow Roaster has a big negative profitability, more than 700. So it's really damaged our net profit and make our return on investment negative. Okay, I hope it will help to answer your question. And thank you so much for all of the participants who have joined this presentation. And if you still have any question for us, just text us by our company email. I'm so sorry if there is any mistakes. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.